If you're looking to up your pork tenderloin game, then you need to do a pork Wellington. We did two different versions for you to consider on how to do it. It looks super tender, juicy, and nice and fluffy on the outside. I can't wait to dive right in, so stick around and we'll jump right in. Well, it's time to fire up the Kamado Joe Big Joe. We're using the Chefstemp S1 dome thermometer and also the Breezo fan combination with their ProTemp Plus thermometer. And so we are setting the grill to 400 degrees. We use my grill blazer just to get a little simple start. You see that smoke going as we're getting through. We got one post oak wood and it's kind of cooking through that right now until we get to a clean burn, and you want to wait till you get a good clean fire before you put the food on. We're letting that come up to that thermal mass come together to 400 degrees, put the the heat deflectors on, then we put the grill grates on, and then we're also using a pizza stone to put the food on so that we have good separation. Just like anything when you're baking, you want to have a clean surface to be able to kind of pull things off, and so that'll just help from a presentation and things not sticking to grill grates. So that's kind of our plan, and it's super simple to put these together, and you download the app and you're able to sync these Bluetooth and then dial in your temperature. And once I see that we're at 400 degrees, we will put these on the grill. But let's take you inside and begin to prepare this pork tenderloin Wellington. I think it's going to be awesome. Let's prepare our pork tenderloin Wellington. This is a 1 pack of, it's like a 2-pound tenderloin, and I'll show that on the screen. And I trimmed off the silver skin, but it came like this. And you can do one or two things. You can make it one, since we're gonna roll it, but I think since I get two pastry puff sheets, I think I'm gonna make two and show you a method where you could sear one first, and then you can cook one whole and let the whole cooking process take care of itself. So I think we're gonna try both strategies. And so let me move these aside and show you how we might do that. And then we'll begin to lay out the puff pastry sheets and begin to assemble this all together. All right, friends, so we've got our pastries here. You want them to be cold but defrosted because they typically come frozen. And so to make sure that this fits, I just trimmed the edges off of the one tenderloin. We're gonna start with this one here. And we're gonna just do a little seasoning, a little salt, pepper, garlic, all sides. This is gonna be the one that we don't sear first. And then my sweet red dirt, which is a fantastic chicken and pork seasoning. Get all sides. And again, we've already removed the silver skin and all that there. So this should be adding wonderful flavor. So one of the first things that we want to do is saute some mushrooms here, and I've made two different mushrooms for the different ones, and then also some shallots there. And we are gonna build kind of some flavor steps here. So we're gonna start with some Dijon mustard. Don't need a lot, but just enough. And we're gonna kind of build kind of across here, kind of a square. I might need to add, actually need to add a little bit more. Just kind of go across. And then what we will do is add these sauteed mushrooms and shallots here, kind of make sure everything is spread out. If you like more mushrooms, you can add more mushrooms. Some people in some recipes call to take these and kind of, you know, even dice them or even, you know, process them to make it even more of a coating, but I don't actually mind here. And so I think my strategy is I'm gonna go angled here, and I'm gonna peel this corner and this edge. This will be our bottom, and then some of these, as they melt, you need to put your fingers together, kind of bring some of these two pieces together. But this will be our bottom. This will help with some good coloring. You could also cut slices and slits into the dough here and kind of give it a good presentation. All right, team, now it's time to do the second one that we seared first. Again, we're gonna do the same thing with a base layer of Dijon mustard, the mushrooms, sauteed mushrooms. We have already cooked and trimmed off the edges here. Do the same idea. That looks so good. Hopefully you're seeing what that looks like pretty well. And we're going to do the same concept. We are going to do the corners. Again, kind of mush these things together. And we're going to flip. I'm making a little burrito almost. Same concept. Yeah. My friends, we are ready to go. And I'm going to cut any slits in this one, either just again, another way of helping me distinguish between the two. And now we're going to go ahead and take you outside on the grill and show you how we're going to set up the grill and get this cooking. All right, friends, these are completely done. Hopefully show you a quick little clip taking them off the grill. We had to stage the timing of the seared first one, had to come off first, and then the next one took another 20 minutes to cook longer. So a total of about 45 minutes for the unseared one and about 30 minutes or so, a little bit less actually, on the seared one. So now, and then I've let these rest, and then I kind of put them in my warmer to kind of, as I'm trying to get these temperatures together to stay kind of consistent, so I can do a taste test for you at the same time, and then kind of discuss both strategies and which one I liked in this experiment. But they both look really tender and super delicious. All right, team, we've let this one rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's time to slice into it. I already could tell we've got the crispiness factor going on here. Oh, and I really hope you can hear that. All right, team, we have finished up these pork tenderloin Wellingtons, these pork Wellingtons. This one here is the seared first version. This one was cooked all the way through. And man, they both looked super tender and juicy and crispy. And I just can't wait to slice into it. So let's do that. We'll take one of each and see how we did. So if I can. Okie dokie. They're super tender, I can tell you that. They both just sliced super easy. I'm Scott from Bartlow's Barbecue, and if you are finding value in this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Do all the things that helps our business as we are getting off the ground here at Bartlow's Barbecue. We have our own seasoning and sauce company. If you're new with us, that might be new to you. Check out bartlowsbarbecue.com. We have 3 different seasonings and 1 sauce. We'd love for you to check out. We're doing some rebranding, so we are going to be getting rid of some of the current inventory, the same flavor, but new look in about a month. So be sure to check out the website to get the current seasoning, but then also the next month we'll be rolling out some new look design that I'm excited about, but also a cookbook. Meat Fire and Friends is coming to pre-sale here shortly. I can't wait for you to get your hands on it. If I can do it, you can do it. This is meant to be for those beginners, or if you're just looking for inspiration, things I've just done in my backyard, taking pictures with my phone. So it's really simple and straightforward cookbook. Hope you enjoy it and hope you're finding value in this video so far. All right, taste test time. The one with the toothpick is the seared first. Let's do that one first. I got some mushrooms and all that goodies good in there. Oh, whoa. Oh, The flavor, that Dijon mustard, wow. Dude, that's good. All right, the cooked from start to finish, not seared first version. My gosh. I recommend this so much. That was seriously amazing. Tasted awesome. Both of them did. Highly recommend this recipe. It's gonna go in my cookbook. I can't, man, that is awesome. The flavor was great. This is the way to amplify a traditional pork tenderloin by just making a Wellington. Dude, so simple and easy and a lot of fun to do. I highly recommend it. Let me know in the comments which one or which version you would go for, what questions you have, what you thought about the cook so far. Well, in summary, the S1 and Chefstemp Breezo did a great job getting things up to temperature quite easily. The biggest value add when you do that fan is doing longer cooks. But man, having that digital display is so cool, and the app makes it super easy for you no matter what kind of short or long recipes you did. Well, my friends, if you found value in this video, this was so delicious and good. I really hope you try it and let me know. And again, from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. Until next time.